Right, I'm just going to show you a quick unboxing video of a desk lamp I've bought. That's the brand YOUKOYI LED desk lamp. Okay, here's the user manual. It's just a tiny little pamphlet. 740 lumens, I presume that stands for LM lumens, which would be very bright, brighter than my torch that's coming on the light that's coming on my camcorder at the moment. Right, so product info. I'll show you this. It'll help this company to get some more sales. They need to do better information on Amazon. Okay, so this is what it should look like. This is the modern version of a desk lamp. Instead of having that kind of circular top part where the normal shaped bulb would go, now you've got this strip which is an LED light. So that's what it'll end up looking like, and then you clamp it to your desk like so and then plug it in. So that's that. Other side of the leaflet looks like this. I don't know why my camcorder light goes on and off like that. It's very annoying. Anyway, just give you a quick overview of the leaflet. What else have we got? Please note, blah 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 blah. Customer service. Oh yeah, it's a Chinese company, and they provide you with an email address to contact them. Don't know what the warranty on this is, whether they give you a 12-month warranty or anything, if there is any kind of warranty. Anyway, open up the cardboard box. This cost me about £45, something like that, on eBay. Comes with that kind of plasticky fake foam stuff. So, that's all one bit together. Okay. Right, let me put the camcorder down so I can show you. Okay, so I've just pulled the long plastic bag off of this, and then you end up with this. That's obviously where you connect it to the plug. Spring, all of this is black. Springs, and then this has to be the LED light. And there you go, the LED light would be that, what looks kind of almost like a clear plastic surface. Okay, so, and then let's get the other bits out. It has to be the desk clamp. Yep, that's that. And then the other bit has to be the plug. Hopefully they give me a UK plug. Yes, they have. 3-pin plug for Britain. Fine. Okay, so plug. Obviously plug into that bit there. And then I've got to attach that to that. So let's see their instructions then. Take out the clamp. Well, that is supposed to represent your desk, that bit there. And then you get the clamp like this, with the bit that you turn with your hand would be at the bottom. Okay. So you fix the clamp on the desk firmly first, and then you put the shaft into the hole. Alright, well I might as well attempt to show you this quickly. So, just as a demo, I'm going to put it on the corner of my computer desk. So, right, give me 2 seconds. I have to say, this does look flimsy. That little clamp there, that's very thin. doesn't exactly look like the strongest bit of metal, but well, it's not. I mean, I couldn't bend it with my fingers, but still, that's an extremely thin little bit of metal I've given you as the clamp. Right, give me a second. I'm going to put it on there pretty tight, just to be. Okay, so put the clamp on the edge of my computer desk here. Tightened it up a lot with that hand screw part there. That's on there. I could do it a little bit tighter if I wanted to, but I don't want to do it too tight. So that's what it now ends up looking like. Let's try and show you the underside of the desk. There you go, that's what it looks like on the underside. The desk, and you go up, and the other side is there. Okay. Now let me get the LED light. Now here's the strange bit. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, so obviously the bottom of the lamp now has to go down into there, and I have to undo that screw so I can drop it down more. And screw that quite a bit. I can feel it about to, there you go, it slips down once you've undone it a fair bit. So then tighten that up quite a bit. Obviously you don't want this to fall. Okay, that's now in. Now I need to connect the plug. I've just got to take off one of those twisty plastic and metal twisty things they put around like that, you know what I mean, those tiny little bits of plasticky metal. Let me quickly undo that. There we go, and then looks like they've given me well over a metre of cable, if not more, so good. So then connect that end to that end there. So, okay. Now I'll go find a spare plug socket to plug in the 3-pin plug, which is giving me a bit of jip. Right, so here we go. Camelion. What? That's some brand. Camelion LED driver. Okay. Right, let me go and plug this in. A spare plug socket. I hate all these plugs. Well, the way they design these plug extension sockets, they don't give you, they give you enough room for a normal size plug, but any of these ones have got this extra inch or two on them. They get in the way of other plugs sometimes. Well, that might just fit actually. So having said that, there you go, that just fits. So switch that on. Ow. Right. So now, how am I supposed to switch this? How do you switch the light on? Be the next question. Oh, there we go. Guess what? I've pressed my finger on there at the end of the light. Let's just try and do that again. Right, so 1 press, 2 press, 3 press, so you get a kind of yellower light. Press it again. Okay, so that's not a lot of light. Press it again, you get a lot more light. Press it again, it's a dimmer light. Okay. I'll have to read the instructions to see how many different levels of light there's supposed to be. But, yeah, there's supposed to be 3 different grades, 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Let's try that again. Let's put the instructions up there so you can see. Right, so Let's press the light. That's off, okay? Off. I'll give it one press. God, I don't like this switch, it's not very good. Right, first press gives you a decent amount of light. Yeah, that's gone off now. Yeah, it's really don't like this at all. Pull that off. That was covering the button a bit. What does that say? What does that say? Touch once to turn on or off, or just the brightness. Double click to change the colour temperature. Touch and hold on for 2 seconds to power off. Is what it says on that little sticky you remove. Right, one more go and then my camcorder battery is about to run out, so yeah, the button on this is pretty shit, to be honest. I'm not impressed with that button. Right, so that's light. Press it again. That's gone off now. There you go, that's the second level of light. I'm not impressed with the button used to do this light level. But it's, yeah, there's no doubt it's bright, but still the button for switching on and off is pretty shite, to be honest. Come on. Can't even get the bloody thing to go on now. It just doesn't feel like there's a button there. There you go. Touch it and it goes on and then off. Come on. Yeah, really unimpressed with the on-off button. It's shite, basically. Right, there you go. Now it's on. And then it goes off. So let me hold it down for a couple of seconds, see if that makes it stay on longer. No. Good grief, this is just really annoying actually now. The on-off button is shit on this. It just... Right, that gets it to come on. Okay, let me hold my finger over the button again and it goes off. Right, one quick touch and it gives you that yellow light. Touch it again, second level of light. Touch it again, you get a dimmer light. Okay, so you only have to kind of hold your finger over it very briefly and it does something. It doesn't feel like a button you have to really press, you just kind of, it must have some kind of a sensor. Anyway, and then this is all bendy, so you can bend it whichever direction you want. You want to, wherever you want to be reading, like lying on a bed, on a beanbag, whatever, with your favourite book. And there you go, that's my quick review of this product. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.